Welcome back again. I just want to run through a helpful tip. May be fully aware of it, but I find it very useful. I've now got a lithium ion battery in my Aprilia Tuono 2007 V2. And basically what I've done, because I like to keep an eye on the lithium battery, and it's been very reliable actually and starts very well, etc. But just peace of mind, so I can always give it a boost charge if I need to. What I've done is I've put in two connectors there which run leads round to the battery, permanent fixings, soldered all the connections right the way through, so it's safe and there's no risk of losing any current from overheated connections. But in fact I unplug it and just leave them like that. You can make them safe or whatever you want to do, wherever you want to put them, but they're connected through to the battery, so you've got live and neutral there. Okay, so what I've done, I bought a little voltage checker. It's a voltage DC voltage, just with a positive and negative connector there. As you can see, quite a handy little thing. You can actually, it's got a screw there which you can actually screw into a fascia or something, or whatever you like, but you can build it in. It's just got a little ring there, key ring there, that spins round, and as it were you can plug it in and then screw it on a backboard or whatever you like, or however you want to fix it. But I've done it quite simply, and literally just done it so I can just plug it in. I don't leave it plugged in. They say it only leaks a very small ampage from the battery, from the lithium ion battery, but yeah, I could leave it plugged in. I might leave it plugged in on a journey, because obviously you can keep an eye on the voltage, just for out of interest, what your charging system's doing, etc. Just as I do on the Ducati, which I went through the previous video on the charging there. So I'm just going to put the mobile phone down, so sorry about this, but I'm just going to plug it in. Sorry about this. Okay, right. So I'm going to put the positive, very important to get the positive, obviously negative correct, which I'll put a red around the positive to make sure I get it correct. So that's the positive, and that's the negative plug-in. Okay, so I'll just show you now. Lithium ion battery is sitting nicely at 13.5 volts. That's about what it seems to sit at all the time. When it's running, when the Aprilia is running, it's usually about 14, that sort of ampage, similar to Ducati, 14.1. But as a good check, it's sitting there 13.5. As I say, you could just leave it plugged in, but obviously it's going to draw a little bit of ampage over time, or certainly leave it plugged in for journeys or whatever. But I just plug it in as a quick checker to know exactly what state of play you are with the lithium ion battery, certainly going through winter, and then you can give it a boost charge whenever you need, because obviously it's not a good idea to, well, you should never leave a lithium ion on trickle charge. Maybe people that found out that it doesn't give a problem, but generally that is the idea. So hopefully that's been of help to anyone. Very useful hint there. Didn't cost a lot of money, literally about £2 to £3, and then wire it in nicely through the bodywork. Obviously batteries under there, just wire it through and then up, and however you want to make the fixing there. So I'll leave you for the evening again, and catch up soon. Thanks very much.